we come to an elevator at 2525 East Broadway. These are this was a US, but it was modernized by Thyssenkrupp. I think it's got the Mad BS.
Yeah, I mean, the chime will be a giveaway.
Yep, if it's mechanical, we'll know.
Long time to level.
Yep, modernized. Thyssenkrupp. Still good.
It's got the
It's still got the original indicator. It's because US got bought out by Thyssenkrupp, so no wonder they kept the original lantern up there.
They did replace the back of the cab. The ceiling is still the original.
Yeah, this is 1980s.
Oh, they have this screen that's like.
And the lights are LED now, so those have been replaced too. Thyssenkrupp.
This is a nice.
Let's ring the bell.
This is a nice. For a small building, it's pretty nice.
It's got the voice, which is really nice. It's not original anymore, unfortunately, but it's still nice either way.
Yeah.
I like the new. They actually did a really good job. It's not like a slap-on where they put a panel over the original. They actually replaced the panels. So this is pretty close to a full replacement. They actually replaced the panels, which is really nice. Yeah, it's got the voice. There's a sensor up here. I don't know what that
basically determines
occupancy.
Yeah, if someone's in the elevator or not.
So it can shut the lights off.
Power safe mode.
Yep, and it's gonna shut off here. Anyways, here it goes, and that's it.